Hey there, Sunseekers. We're going to tour a spacious balcony room here on Oasis of the Seas. We're going to tour 8594. And as you walk in, we've got this big, beautiful bed. As we step into the room, this room accommodates up to 3 people, so this will turn into a sofa sleeper. You have your desk area, just enough space if you got to do some work or stay connected while you're away. Television, some storage up above. We do have this beautiful, spacious balcony out here. Take a look at that in a moment. I'm going to pan back around. Hey, Sunseekers. You can see the room from this vantage point. There's that big sofa sleeper, big bed, door in which we walked in. And you can see some of the storage over here, the closet. So you see you've got lots of shelves, hangers and hooks. I'll open this up quickly and take a step back so you can take a look. Lots of storage in there. And the washroom space, shower, toilet, sink, some storage here as well, some little shelves, drawer, hooks. My goodness, hooks. Get yourself some magnetic hooks. If you've never been on a cruise, do it. They come in handy. Shower's just big enough. Nice little handheld nozzle. Take a look at the balcony here. So this is a spacious balcony room. So it's a little bit bigger than most balconies. A little bit deeper. So you've got a table and 2 chairs. Head back into the room. This is the Spacious Ocean View Balcony room on Oasis of the Seas.